What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to Carolina Custom Classics. Today we're back on the 77 Chevy. We're going to be changing out that squealer, aka bad alternator, so let's get it. Alright, so there's the culprit. That's our problem for the off and on charging. The belt keeps getting loose no matter how many times I tighten it. As you can see, you got belt residue, and even back here got a good bit of it, so definitely got to fix that. It's old and crusty, so definitely ain't gonna hurt nothing. So we're gonna go ahead and start whipping it out, get the new one on there, and hope for the best. Hopefully that squeal will go away. First, let's crank it up so you can hear what I'm talking about. Alright. Damn, you ready to go, ain't you? Alright, that's the bad alternator sound right there. Alright, let's go ahead and crank it out. Alright, so here's the alternator that I bought. I got it off of Rock Auto. It's a reman, so it's not new, but supposedly it's good as new at half the price. Just how I like it. So we're gonna go ahead and take off take off the old one and weld that one on and see what happens. Alright, to take off the alternator, you just got this one bolt here that you can adjust how tight you want the belt. And then you just got this one long bolt right here that you gotta get out. Looks like a half, but if it ain't, I'll let you know. Alright, so it is a half. Break these loose. And let's get this bottom one. Oh, that one must be a 9/16. So let's go grab a 9/16. Alright, got a 9/16. Alright, so you can see it's already falling down, so loose. So alright, so the bolts is about all the way out. Let's go ahead and take off our belt if I can get it. Alright, belt's off. Go ahead and take out this top bolt. Well, get out there now. Oh, for sure I've had that loose. Alright, so I'll be back with you. Alright, so I finally got the bolt out. It was just wedged in there. But before I start messing with any of the electrical, I went ahead and disconnect the battery cable. So I can go ahead and yank this off. There's that. And it should be one battery wire. I probably should have done this first, but oh well. We'll get that off and out she comes. Alright, so we gotta change this bracket over to the new one. So it's just a 1/2 inch. Go ahead and take that on off and get it put on there. Should be good to go then. Well, at least it came with bolts. except for the long one. Came with everything but the long one. And just like so. So the new one must be metric. Damn it. Alright, let's go get some metric. Alright, in she goes. Alright, there you have it. New alternator is on, belt's good and tight. Let's crank it up and see what happens. Oh, first have to put the battery cables back on, ain't it? Oops, there we go. Alright. Try that again now. Oh yeah, they're squealing. Alright, well, I guess that's where we're going to leave it today. Just another short video. I apologize for being kind of slack on getting y'all some new content, but I am working on it. I'm trying to line up some will it run videos. They always seem to do really good on the channel and everything, so I have a few lined up already, so y'all just stay tuned. Please like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate it.